there, aspiring artists, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to draw an attractive ship. So, grab your pen and paper and let's embark on this artistic adventure together. Finally, we completed a ship drawing. Now it's time to paint it. First, we can start with lapis blue. Next, we will use candy colors. Next, we can take watercolors, but you can use other colors if you want. After that, we can take yellow color. Now we will use orange color. And lastly, we will see the umber color. You have successfully navigated through the process of drawing a ship vector. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep honing your skills and exploring new artistic frontiers. Let your creativity set sail, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to embark on your own artistic journeys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, and may your artistic endeavors always stay afloat.